Now, just now I mentioned that you need to expand your vocabulary. I still hear some students using words like good, interesting, boring, and exciting. Nothing wrong. Use those words to get your ideas out. However, if you really want to expand your repertoire of words, right, you need to get into the habit of using some of these words that replace good, interesting, boring, and exciting. So instead of saying good, right, you can say this is wow, this book was brilliant. It was remarkable, outstanding, right? If you want to say something was interesting, well, we were captivated, right? We were fascinated. We were all deeply engaged. We find this compelling, right? And if you want to say something is boring, oh, it was rather mundane, right? We had to do this repetitively. It was so tedious. Oh, we found it pedestrian, right? So pedestrian also means nothing exciting happening, right? Just crossing the road, right? Legally, right? Then exciting, instead of saying exciting, this was thrilling, stimulating, exhilarating. Now, doesn't mean that you have to memorize these words, right? You're one Google search away from finding good words to replace these mundane words. So what I would like you to do, or I suggest that you do, is write these words on a small little card that can fit into your wallet or your pencil case. All right. Remember to take them out during exams, right? But put them in the pencil case as a matter of habit so that you look at them, right, often and every day. And when you're talking to somebody, decide on Sunday, tomorrow, right? You are going to use outstanding 10 times in your conversation. You're going to use compelling 10 times in your conversations, right? So do that. Do that with your friend, right? Do that with another classmate. Try to challenge each other to make your conversations a little brighter, a little bit more colorful, right? Don't just use, oh yeah, the lunch was good, right? Wow, it's brilliant, awesome, right? So build your vocabulary because it makes a difference between 19 and 20, right? It does. Hi, this is Dr. Daniel Chua. I hope the video that you have just watched will be helpful to your child in preparation for PSLE English. So if you are interested to sign up for any of our programs, please feel free to check out this QR code, and then you can then find out more about what we do to help our students at Cognitus Academy. All right, thank you.